Welcome to Slowdown Sunshine. I'm Ashley, and this is Rosie, and we've traveled in our van officially for an entire month, and it's been a beautiful, beautiful, amazing experience. We've camped in 5 state parks at 2 different Boondockers welcome sites, 3 different private RV parks. We visited 7 state parks, 7 different state parks throughout Illinois, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. We've been to 12 different playgrounds. Sure.
Let's go.
Which was your favorite playground?
The castle.
The castle one? Yeah, I didn't get a picture of the castle one, but there was a really cool castle one. We've gone to 3 different waterfalls. What was your favorite waterfall?
The big one.
The big one. Which one was the big one? We've been to 4 different lakes, including Lake Superior right here, which was kind of the focal point of this whole journey. We've been to 2 different beaches. What was your favorite beach?
This one.
This one?
Yeah,
this one's not one of the 2 because we're outside of the month mark, but this is a beach too. It's all rocky. Great.
It's not sandy yet.
No, we went on a boat ride.
Yup.
What are we doing?
We are going on the boat.
We're going on a boat.
And I'm excited. I was like jumping around, jump, jump, jump.
So excited. It's hot and it's sweaty and it's humid, but we're on a boat. We're on a boat. You on a boat? Say, I'm on a boat.
On the boat.
7 feet apart. River also runs about 90 feet deep here, so oftentimes it is more.
Do you remember the boat ride?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of that?
We're going super fast like this.
She's going super fast right now. You can't see her. What else did we ride? Did we go on a train ride? Toot toot.
You toot?
Toot, you tooted.
No, you toot.
No, you tooted.
Hey, you toot.
I think it was the train that tooted.
Flashlight has her too.
Is it time to go? Time to go. All aboard. How did the train go?
Kind of slow, fast.
It went kind of slow. We had a cat on our roof. You remember that?
Yeah.
There was a cat on top of our van at
When
one
we
of the.
were watching a movie.
We were watching a movie at a Boondockers welcome site, and I heard a thump, thump, thump. Rosie goes, "Oh yeah, I think there's a cat on top of our van."
No, I thought, and that's someone cleaning our roof.
The cat had been meowing outside of our door for a couple of hours, so yeah. I got stung by a bee. I hadn't been stung by a bee since I was a little kid, and funny, it happened the exact same way, walking barefoot in the grass, which I'm not going to give up because I love it. We've seen lots of flowers and lots of bees and lots of butterflies and birds and frogs.
And bunnies.
And bunnies. We have seen lots of bunnies and like chipmunks.
And baby chipmunks.
And baby chipmunks.
Like this one.
Yeah, and baby squirrels. So cute.
And baby.
We saw a bear yesterday. It was on the side of the road. It was a black bear, little cute bear. Oh, I saw it. Rosie was sleeping. She didn't get to see it. Holding a fish in its mouth. We made nature critters out of the leaves and the sticks that we found. Remember the nature critters that we made? Yeah. We made some oobleck. We rode a carousel. Do you remember riding the carousel? What animal were you on in the carousel? Do you remember?
A bunny?
A bunny. It was a bunny. Do you remember what you named her?
No.
I don't-
Sally.
Sally. It could have been Sally. Was it Sally?
Yeah, but it was Sally.
We learned about the water cycle. We did a demonstration where we put a bag up on the window and watched the water evaporate and then condensate and rain. That was really fun. We've been to 4 different states, or through 4 different states, through Indiana and Illinois and Wisconsin and now Minnesota. We saw a dog jump across a chasm or a chasm. How do you say that? It's a CH, but everyone says, hey. We've only made 1 campfire. Do you remember the 1 campfire we made?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we made more campfire with friends.
Yeah, we did make campfires at a friend's house at one of the Boondockers welcome sites, but we've only made 1 campfire with just us.
That was so exciting!
It was so exciting. Rosie turned into a mermaid at the beach, and I buried you and made you into a mermaid.
Yeah!
We spent 2 of the weeks, like half of the month, traveling more, you know, spending about 3 to 5 days in each spot, moving around like that, and then we spent 2 whole weeks in Duluth, Minnesota.
Magic!
We're walking on the water
Like magic!
like magic. We're right outside of Duluth.
Mommy,
Yeah.
you remember maybe the other side with yucky water?
Yeah, we've been to a couple of sites with yucky water where
And the big fish and yucky and stuff like that.
yeah, where the lakes, the little lakes had the blue green algae stuff blooming, and where you couldn't get in the water and the water looked really yucky. There was one lake that had a big old dead fish. So not all places are as beautiful as this, unfortunately. Oh, we went to the circus.
Yeah! Circus!
It was so cool, just like it was a traveling circus that happened to be in Duluth while we were there. So we went, and the kids got in free. Or kids tickets were free with a paid adult. I don't know if I've ever been to a circus like that. If I was, it was when I was little, and I don't remember. But it was so cool. It was just a lot of fun to like see the power of the human body when it's in like, yeah, the picture, the advertisement had a mermaid on it, and there was no mermaid in the show, and that was pretty disappointing for me and for her. Like the show was wrapping up, and she looked at me like, but there was no mermaid, and I was like, no, there wasn't, but it was still a really cool show. And I've sold 2 spots in my upcoming workshop that is going to be the end of October, beginning of November. Date is yet to be set. More details on that below about what is stopping you from living your dream life. It'll be a live...
Nothing can stop me.
Yeah, nothing can stop Rosie from living her dream life. But you've got stuff inside of your mind that is stopping you right now and getting in your own way. So I'm having a live hypnotherapy workshop the end of October, beginning of November, where we will get a glimpse and uncover pieces of that, of what is stopping you. So if you're interested in that, you can find the link below, and it's innersunshine-freedom.com/workshops. I'd love to have you join us, and it's half off if you register before the end of September, so check it out. What was your favorite part of our first month on the road, baby?
I'm not bump.
The bump, 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 bump?
Yeah, bump.
What's that mean?
The bump. That means the rocks are really bumpy.
The rocks are really bumpy.
Bump.
It was so much fun for us to look back through the memories of the past month, to share them with you guys. And if you don't follow us on Instagram, we share a lot more on there, just of like day-to-day stuff of our adventures and what we're doing and what we're up to. So follow us on Instagram at Slowdown Sunshine. We'd love to have you on there. And if you like this video, please give us a like. It really helps us out, and consider subscribing to not miss any of our adventures coming up. We love you all, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye. dear water. Is there a waterfall up here? Or is it underneath of us? What is that?
Are you getting wet?
Oh, there's water underneath of us. A witch's bathtub. The witch's falls. There is a little waterfall. Oh, the water's clearer here. I'd take a bath there.